Hello AFTA students. In this video I'm going to explain how to take your Project 2 report planning guide and create your Project 2 from that. The first thing you want to do is go into your Google Classroom, and usually when you open it you're in the stream, so you need to go to classwork and you're going to go to Unit 2 Pollster, and you want to open your Project 2. When you do that, you'll just have a blank paper there. So let's see, might look like this. All right, then go back to your report planning guide and we're going to select all. So we'll go edit, select all, and then edit, copy. So we're going to copy all of that, and then we're going to put that back into your sample project. So you can go edit, paste. All right, so go back up to the top now. And we want to reformat this so it does not look like a worksheet. So I'm going to take out this heading. And I'm going to replace it with my name. And actually, I want that to be over on the left. So Emily Burrell, I clicked this one to put it on the left. The class. And the date. Okay. Then I think I'm going to go enter, and I'm going to give this a title. Okay. Students who like ice cream at South Lakes High School. Okay. I'm going to keep the section title background, and then I'm going to make this look like a paragraph. My survey was to find out how many South Lake students like ice cream, so I need to get rid of all these lines. And make sure I end the paragraph with a period. Okay, check your spelling and your capitalization. South Lakes is capital, but don't have other random capital letters in there. The word I should be capitalized. All right, so this is actually going to be part of the same paragraph, so I'm going to backspace to get it back there, and then a space after the period. I chose this question because, and I'm going to get rid of the lines, because, oops, I really like ice cream. Okay, the population is all South Lake students. So again, I want to put this back. I'm going to backspace to make it part of the paragraph. A space after the period. The population is all South Lake students. And get rid of this line too. And the sample is, now include sample size, that sounds like a worksheet. I'm going to get rid of those words. So the sample is 19 students from class and 6 friends that I texted. And I want the period, but I don't want that line there. Okay, so all of that went into one paragraph. For the data collection, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to combine everything into one paragraph and get rid of the lines. Okay, so you can see that I made my data collection into a paragraph just like I did with my background. So next it says create a table of your data. And so instead of asking that question, I'm just going to call this table my data. And delete some of the empty space in there. Again, I've got a lot of extra space. I'm going to delete that. And this section is called data analysis. Okay. In data analysis, again, I'm going to make a paragraph, and I want to get rid of parts that look like they're asking questions, like that categorical or quantitative. So my data was categorical because I didn't ask for a number answer. And I'm going to get rid of the lines. For my data, I asked, do you like ice cream? Okay, I put a space. Here are my calculations. And here it says to create a graph. I'm just going to call this graph. And then I have a conclusion section. Describe your results and explain how they results relate to your topic or question. So one more time, I'm going to just put my answers into a paragraph. Get rid of the question. So I found that 84% of students like ice cream and 60% of students do not like ice cream. I'm going to get rid of the question and just put my answer. And remember, I'm making a paragraph. I was very surprised. Okay, and then if I can get this on one page, that's great. It's not necessary, but since I'm so close to one page right now, I think I might try. So let me see if I delete some empty space, if it will move up. Looks like it, yeah. Okay, and then that's it. Then I can turn that in.